Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And today, I am opening a doll I'm very excited about. I don't have my good box opening scissors. They're out in the studio, and I'm in the house. So let me see if I can carefully open this. Owie. And show you who we have inside. Oh, I'm really tickled. Dolls Evermore. I got this doll off eBay or on eBay, however. How about this? I got this from a seller on eBay, and I'm very excited about it. I like boy dolls. I have liked boy dolls since I was a kid, and I wanted some toner boys to go with my Elowens, and I have the Jean doll. This was a Harry Potter doll. I liked his face because he doesn't, he's got a normal face. He could be dressed otherwise and you wouldn't necessarily think, oh, that's Harry Potter. Oh, I like his hands. He has large hands. What I really like is he looks masculine. I don't like these male dolls that look so feminine. Oh, I really like him. Let's see, does he turn here or not really, but he goes up and down. And lot of articulation. I like that. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Even his foot is articulated. Let's see, can he ride a horse? A skinny one. And have to be a pretty skinny horse, but he could. Boy, I like him. He's nice and tight and right. He did not come with his clothing, which I did not want anyway. Can you get a close-up of that face? Let me try to move out of the... Yeah, I like that a lot. He looks like a young man. So now I'm going to make some clothes for him, and you'll have to come back and see. You all have been asking. We have a new puppy, and we're going to insert a little video here. But thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know what you think of my little toner boy. And subscribe to our channel, please. Girl. 3 months old. We got her Saturday. Today's what, Tuesday?
Today's Wednesday.
Wednesday. And she's doing really well. She is doing really well on housebreaking and walking on a leash. I walk all four together now. Real good with the animals. She is a Great Pyrenees and right at 3 months old, 12 weeks. Big dog.
It was 33 pounds or so?
Yeah.